Hello and welcome back. In this class we are going to learn how to insert the FontWork style. FontWork text that we have, just like the word art that we have within Microsoft. So FontWork, sometimes there are presets that you have that you can easily insert into your slides to make your presentation look a bit different and look much more professional. So to start with, let me show you how to insert the font artwork. You can see this letter F. This is FontWork. This is FontWork text. So you can just click on it and you can see, you can select a FontWork style from the variety of available ones. You can see them, different styles. You can see show, stone, blue, different types. I'm sure you must have seen this in different presentations. Sometimes we have them in circles and in this zigzag form, or this circle like this. Something like this. So they are very nice and they can add some special touch to your presentation if you can add them. So let's go with something simple like this, and we can just click and just insert it directly. Alright, so let's say we can click this and move it to the side, and then you can just double click and write anything that you want, and it's going to take in this formatting and the shapes and the coloration and so on. So let's say we want to write something like congratulations using the same font style. So you just click out and everything now takes in that congratulations in that format. You can decide to add another one. For example, you can come back and let's say we take in these favorites and you can say okay to this. You can move it to somewhere close and you can just double click to write something. Let's say this is introduction. Alright, so once you click out, this now becomes your introduction. So you can click and move it somewhere. It can become very handy sometimes during presentation, and you will see it's very unique, the writing style and the font style and so on. You can add as many things as you want and using any of the selections. So you can select this and you can say this one, you can just double click, do Ctrl A to select all, and then you can say this is confirmed. Right, something like this, and you can see it's now confirmed. You can just drag and put it somewhere. You can design anything depending, and then one thing you should know is that you can have a bunch of controls from this text from here. So from the text editing properties, you can play around with the sizing, the arrangement, the alignment. You can bring to the top, bottom, center. You can align left, right, and center, and so on. The character and paragraphing and the area, the coloration, you can change this color to any color of your choice. So to black, if you want to change it to black. You can see you have quite a number of controls, as well as the transparency. You may want to have it to be solid or linear or thereabout. You can change all this accordingly. You can change the transparency to be solid. As you change, you can see it is changing. But I think at 0 is better because it's very clear and so on. So over here you have the line thickness and so on, the coloration and other glow effect you can change if you are interested, but I usually keep it at default. Once I select a particular selection, I just try to maintain it and I can write anything I want as regards that. Here also you have some other bunch of controls. You can add some few things if you are interested from the artwork, but I just always at any given point click, select a particular case and just say okay to this, and then I can just write. So let's double click and select all, and I can just write engineering, for example. Alright, so once you click out, this now becomes your engineering, and you can just select and put it somewhere. Right, so it's very easy and it's very nice, and you can always resize by coming to the edges, and you can see it just resize it. Very nice, and I think you can find it very helpful in your presentation sometimes if you're interested. So you can just go ahead and explore and see what you can do with it and what you can add and remove from it. So this concludes this class about adding this FontWork into our presentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.